Keep calm, tile on. We've got the gauge right here with the teeth. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be discussing and demonstrating how this works here. This is a contour gauge for a lot of uses, typically flooring. For your wood flooring installations, laminate, tile flooring installations. It also can be used for trim work as well. This contour gauge is 10 inches, made of ABS. Now what this does is very simple. It can accurately copy any shape, including irregular shapes. So this is how it works. We have a coffee cup here. Keep calm, tile on. We've got the gauge right here with the teeth. There is your copy of the coffee cup. Now there are many contour gauges on the market. This is 7 Sparta. Very inexpensive, under $10. As usual, links will be in the description below. Now, for tile, this can be used for a round radius for round corner bead. This can be used for your door frame, your door casing. And of course, you can use this too. Mark and cut tiles for your curved bathtubs, as well as your curved fiberglass trays or fiberglass shower pans. Now, before we do that, we'll bring the camera up close, show you what this looks like up close, get right to demonstrating how it works and cutting some tile. Here we go. And here it is, guys. You've got your teeth here. Has a ruler on it as well. Again, this thing is under 10 bucks. So visualize this as your shower tray, your shower pan, and you have to cut a radius around it for your tile. Simply works like this. There is your radius. Here is the tile that you need to cut to accept the radius of your shower pan. Make your mark and simply make your cut. Quickly show you how this works for your door frame, and then we will make some cuts. Here we go. So here is your door opening, your door frame. If you don't want to undercut your door frame in order to slide the tile underneath, or if it's a metal door frame, this works well. Let me quickly show you here. We will get our contour, make our marks, and cut our tile. So there is our contour. Let's trace this on the tile and make our cuts. Quickly make your mark and cut. So here is your radius cut if it were a shower pan, and this cut would be for your door frame. If you chose not to undercut, or if this would be a metal frame. Well, there you go, a contour gauge. Good little tool to have in your toolbox for funky contoured cuts, for flooring, for tile. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. As usual, hit that thumbs up button. Most importantly, if you know anybody who might find this tool useful, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep calm, tile on. We've got the gauge right here with the teeth.